Oh. Did she get you? Did she get you? She had a knife.
On October 11th, officers at the Atlanta airport received reports of a woman attacking travelers with a knife.
Taser deployed, but I missed her. Hey, hey, you got yours?
Shaking, bro.
Back up, LT. Ma'am.
No.
Put it down.
Do what y'all got to do here. Don't wait to take me out in the street.
Just put it down.
Tell my body in the woods like y'all.
Put the weapon down.
Post it.
Put the weapon down, ma'am. Ma'am.
Listen to me now. I put that on my kids.
Ah, damn, fool.
Manages to pepper spray the suspect, but gets stabbed in the leg as she lunges at him.
Lights out. We got it. He's stabbed. Give me a tourniquet. Get that hand.
They trying to kill me. My name is Brenda. Not Damaris. My name is Damaris.
Hey, we got an officer stabbed here.
Remember what I say. They trying to kill me outside of here.
Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
Hey, before we finish this video, title of this video is Chaos Erupts After Woman Tries to Murder Airport Police. First of all, the cop himself looks, and he's an older guy. He couldn't move. He should have listened to the younger cops and stayed away instead of being close and trying to pepper spray and not being fast enough or nimble enough or agile enough to get away. So, was that the cop's fault? I don't know. Maybe he wasn't listening to his partners. But you know who it is. Your boy Romy Roma in the house, in your mouth. Romy Roma in the house, and I'm in your mouth. Always keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep your vibes high.
Got an officer stabbed in the leg.
Quit trying to make me stop breathing, sir. Quit.
Calm down.
Handcuffs. I ain't moving. Quit.
Right there.
Man, bro, you lucky she hit an artery, man.
Carlos Martinez. He just got out of prison. Shadow Miguel Morenci. They trying to kill me. Remember this. Listen to me. Trust what I say. They holding me down so I can't breathe. Stop, man. I ain't even moving, man.
368,
Stop. Get off me. I ain't even moving. My name is Brenda Carr. They're going to try to say my name is Damaris.
Working a signal 88.
Remember what I say. 1719 Columbia Drive, Decatur, Georgia. They took my license. They took all my credentials. They're trying to make me somebody else. Tabitha Williams.
Hey, tell them I don't need no help. I don't know why they can't hear me.
All these police officers are involved. All these police are involved. When they take me away from here tonight, I'll be dead. They're going to kill me. Remember what I say. Y'all tourists that's leaving, remember what I say. My body's supposed to be in some kind of water.
What? She on something.
Let's get this on him.
Where's my radio still? Ask them, do they have a unit to come take custody of her so she can be out off this scene?
Where is the wound? get the weapon, get the weapon. I need
Hey,
trauma
Matt, do we have a unit coming to get her to move her out of here?
Okay, no problem, sir.
Get her out of here. Get a unit to take her off the
See,
scene.
he's involved too. Listen, this officer's involved.
Take care of her. She thinks I'm shot. Turn that tanker off. Turn it off. Let's kick it out.
It's all right.
How many bell keepers you wearing? Two in the back. All right.
I'm gonna roll him.
No, he's got bell keepers on.
Yep.
He's got bell keepers on.
Does he? Okay.
I want to roll him, but as soon as you're done, I got you. You're good. Wait a second.
David, you're right. Just let everybody.
You guys need another tourniquet? Or?
No, we could use another one.
Okay.
I'd rather it be painful. I got one right here.
Boy, he losing a lot of blood, man.
Right here, I got you.
Is there anybody else?
Crazy.
There's another.
Where?
At Truist. I don't know if it's that.
I'm not going nowhere. Just right my eye.
Well, we got it.
Right my eye.
Watch your weapon. Give me the hand. Bring your hand out. Bring it. Give me the hand. Give it.
Wipe my eyes! Wipe my eyes, please! Wipe my eyes! Wipe my eyes!
Stand by.
You gotta take it. Wipe my eyes! That's my brother. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
No. I don't know about the mail. That's all.
I know that's the officer. Where's the mail that was stabbed? Someone got stabbed.
Man, I'm so tired of the can't breathe statement, but like that shit is relevant when it's relevant. Other than that, it's just now has been used as a ploy to get some relief, to get the cops off you, to make you feel, make everybody else feel like you're in danger, to maybe get help from everybody else. Nobody's going to help you. Everybody in that airport is a bystander, and they will watch. Just like if it's a car accident on the side of the road, everybody's going to slow down, look, and watch and see what's going on. That I don't know why every criminal, when they get thrown to the ground, they can be free. They can be laying on the ground by themselves. I can't breathe. I can't. It's like, how you can't breathe, man? Y'all got to come up with people. The criminals got to come up with another saying, because that's played out.
Wipe my eyes. Just wipe my eyes. Wipe my eyes, please. Just wipe my eyes. Just wipe my eyes. Wipe my eyes.
Sit down.
Can you just wipe my eyes?
Sit down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wipe my eyes.
Somebody stay with her.
Somebody was trying to kill me. Wipe my eyes, please. This is burning.
We're going to take care of it.
Man, is she on something?
Who has her weapon security?
Wipe my eyes.
I got it.
Please, sir. Please. Take these clothes off me, please. Don't do this.
Sit down. Sit down. They're going to take care of you.
Y'all was going to do it anyway. Please.
They got blood on it. You got some gloves?
She got to be on something, y'all.
Go ahead and let's go. Stand up.
Radio 3704.
I put my gloves on right there.
That's fine, ma'am. Go ahead and stand up.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Come on.
I can't. I can't.
Hey, LT, we're gonna transport.
Requesting a mobile unit for the female.
Yeah, if you could get up underneath her other arm, we'll stand her up. We'll take her back down there. Go from the other side. Go from the front side back.
That's fine.
1, 2, 3.
Stick around, man.
Come on. I don't know. It's just, I mean, it's just as quick. Just walk down here real quick. I just don't want to play the fucking ragdoll game. So if we got a wheelchair, we set her in that and walk her down.
I'm burning.
Yeah, that's what OC does. If he can meet me right over here, this next cut through, that'd be great. I see nothing. Never mind. You boys have a good time today?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
3796 radio.
Move on.
What's going on?
Lean back.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
Airport dispatch.
What's going on?
Lean back.
It's burning.
I know it's burning.
4707 neighborhood assault. Do you have someone meet me on airport dispatch attack 1 to advise on the situation?
Can you wipe me off?
I can't do anything right now.
Okay. What's going on? Why am I going in there?
Come on.
Take the handcuffs off me.
Come on.
I take the handcuffs off me.
Stand up, ma'am.
Okay.
Stand up.
Can y'all take these handcuffs
No,
off?
absolutely not.
Walk right on in there.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, did anybody actually go through? Come on.
Did they what? Did they actually what?
Check you for weapons.
I ain't got nothing else on me.
I don't know what you had to begin with.
A knife. They let me walk in with that.
They let you walk in with what?
Kill me.
Who's that?
I don't know. Glenwood. Glenwood. Can you take this off me, dog?
Not right now. Hang on. Give me 1 second.
Okay. Yes, sir. Can I get some water, though?
Well, I'm going to double check, see if we can get you something here in a second, okay?
Please, can I get some water? Please don't lock me in here without the water. They already told me I was going to be George Floyd. Please give me some water. Please.
He owns something, yo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yo, based off her reaction, she got to be on something. She has to have some type of mental illness or be on something because her responses are so sporadic. First she hot, then she George Floyd, then she somebody else, then the cartel got somebody that's sending to kill her, then the cops are trying to kill her. She can't breathe. If your body's up and down, you got hit with the spray, and your eyes is burning, but your body's burning up. She's all over the place, so she got to be on something, yo. She got to be on something, and I can't say it's understandable, but also I can say at the same time it's kind of understandable because of what's going on, man. Left and right, people are going through it. You know? They just going through it. Sad.
I'm trying to crime scene right here at the south checkpoint.
Yes, sir. Can I get some water, please?
Hang on. Move over here. Move to your right.
Can I get some water?
Checkpoint.
Can I get some water? Can I get some water? Can I get some water? Oh, can I get some water? Can you take the handcuffs off me? I'm in the cell already.
Handcuffs are staying.
Why? Can I get some water? Can I get some water?
Best record or something like that.
Shocking.
The suspect was arrested for disorderly conduct, assault on an officer, resisting arrest, and criminal trespassing. If you enjoyed this video...
See, they didn't say nothing. Nobody takes a picture like that unless there's something wrong with him. She took the bitter beer face commercial picture. How you go? I can't even attempt it, bro. She cross-eyed with her lips smokered up and puckered up like she didn't have too much something. You know what I'm saying? Or like her teeth got knocked out. But she had to be. I'm going to go ahead and say she was on something. Just solely based off her reaction in that picture, she was on something. All right, man, y'all keep your mind right, keep your mind tight. Always check your mentals, emotionals, physicals, spirituals. There's a battle going on with reality, with people's consciousness, with everything. There's a battle going on to break you. Please do not break, man. Keep yourself mentally tough. You got to stay on defense at all times, man. Do something. Find something. Even if it's a vice, I guess. If everybody has their vice, whatever it is, walk, go hunt, go camping, go fishing, go on a vacation, go for a walk, go to the gym. Do something to keep your mind from breaking with all the stuff that's going on, y'all. Peace and love, light and healing. Peace to the gods, peace to the earth. Peace and love to everybody out there.